Let's go, Jason. Let's go, Queen. Virus, hi. Charles, Orlando, hi. These two, hello. What happened to Shiba Peach? Good evening, guys. Happy Tuesday. Hi, Amber. Hello. Hey, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Well, let's hang for a bit, and then we can, do the night things. Like go to sleep. Let me start this up properly. Let me stop there before let me stop there. Um, welcome to Prime Time. Your host tonight will be Shiba Inu. Let's go. Hi Nanya. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Pro R. MK, good vibes, guys, good vibes, good vibes. Let's give it a few minutes here, and then we can, we can move on. Give it a minute or so, and then we can see if there's any crypto news, Shiba news, or anything, and then take a look at the charts and just hang out and do the nightly things. Howdy, howdy. Let's see. Oh yeah, you want to know what this song is called? Well, this is not a problem now, but this song is called "Don't Spam, Please." Don't spam. That's what the song is called. No spamming, please. Well, that's what the beats are called, I guess. Uh, let's go, Fabian. Now that we're back, Shiva, it's time to go, right? As always, we're back. So Shiva, time to go. Time to go, go, go. Let's see here. Let me just quickly browse here just to make sure. Crypto news here. Dragon Pool continued open airdrop. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, can skip that. Nah, 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 nah. Shiba creator. Wait, what? Shiba Inu creator should be in jail. Real Wolf of Wall Street. What's going on here? What's going on? We're about to start the night off like this with this much violence. 90 things, boys. Juicy? No. Uh, no, I just mean, Crystal. You know, like nightly things, like sleeping, and So what's happening here? Jordan Belfort criticizes Shiba Inu as a token soars over 20% in price on the day. Belfort believes that altcoins like sheep or milk coin have no real value. Recently, the Wolf of Wall Street, a nickname that Jordan Belfort earned after stealing thousands of dollars in fraudulent stock sales. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this. How are you gonna steal money and then say stuff like this shouldn't exist? Like how are you gonna like how do you make your money? Like how do you make your name from being a fraud and stealing money, and then all of a sudden saying, "Oh my goodness, this person should be in jail." Who are you to say that type of stuff? I don't know. It's just my opinion. Has given his opinion on cryptocurrencies meme calling misleading. Belfort believes that Shiba Inu, one of the most recognized crypto memes, beside Dogecoin, does not have meme besides Dogecoin. Does not have real price. Have a real price is what he's saying. Virtual hug. If Shiba Inu join the metaverse, what happens? I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Um, Let me see here. I want to take a screenshot of this here. November the 3rd. La, la, la. But it also considers blockchain technology. She token that enthusiast. Wow. So is that the bot? Is that it? No, there's a lot more to this article here. There's a lot more. Wow, 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 guys. Again, I'll take a screenshot of that and then then see yeah. That's who you're here for, VJ. Yeah. Sounds like rubbish to you, Christo. Sounds like rubbish to me. Oh no, I hate this stuff. Okay, let me keep going here. So the entrepreneur considers himself a cryptocurrency market enthusiast. Um, as Shiba is trying to recover there a little bit, but does not support tokens with a system that loses money. Belfort reveals that within his career in the crypto market, he has heard a lot of crazy things from people trading sheep. What crazy things? Uh, believes Shiba is worthless, right? He believes Shiba is worthless. Worthless. Uh, the again has given serious statements about Shiba and its own real value. Said the token developers are taking advantage of fans for rewards. Interesting. Wow. Interesting, guys. Sounds like rubbish to you, Christo. um, um, excuse me. Excuse me, Amber. Unbelievable. Absolutely useless. Like, let's go, guys. I don't know what to tell you. It's yeah, I don't know what to tell you. You think I would stay away from meme coins? Penny, is that what you're saying? Oh, you're asking if that's what he thinks. I don't know what he thinks, right? So again, my only question is, when you make your money from, like, when the first paragraph in this article is, oh, this dude made his money from fraudulent activity. How do you go say someone else should be in jail? I don't know. Not my business. I'm just here mining. None of your business. None of your business. Raging on sheep so people dump it and then buy it up hit by himself. Oh yeah, Tyler, always some point. Let's go, Tyler. Yeah, No, just I'm right. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. What else? So that's the first article there, guys. It seems really interesting. Actually, uh, I just saw your comments and I just okay. I'm good. I'm good. Yep. AMC speaker and now sheep. Oh, he does the same thing with AMC mic. Okay. Uh, he has any CS who should honestly, Mike, I don't know what to tell you, right? Don't know what to tell you. um I'm sorry, guys, it's just a funny message. Just a funny message from Amber. So let me get back on track. There you go. Breathe. I'm breathing. There you go. Right. So again, I'm gonna see if there's anything else to this. So Belfort insists that the people who create these tokens should be in prison because they are only affected by the actual market. Although Belfort criticizes Shiba as an illegal cryptocurrency, the token has helped a couple of people, right? Like a worker in a retail market who made a lot of money with these investors, with his investments. Sheep has gained priority among altcoins due to its volatility, which has also been criticized, right? So again, yeah, I just don't that's just rubbish to me. It's just absolute rubbish. Let me see if I can get a thing of that whole thing, that whole where did I end? Use it. Let me get a screenshot of the rest of this tier. There we go. So I just wanna keep that there, and then we can talk about that later as well here. So anything else in terms of news here? Not that I see. All right, OpenSea news. What to know at the NFT marketplace reports a data issue? Okay. Were they hacked or something? NFT? As data issue left some users in a cold sweat. Peer-to-peer marketplace for non-fungible tokens in the world. As such, the oversees the blah 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 blah. Today, users were distraught to find they were unable to access their NFT collection. Wow, that's scary. On OpenSea, many took to Twitter. Wow, interesting. Okay, scary. Can access your NFT collection there. Okay. A new Shiba Inu whale is emerging as she begins trading on Kraken. There you go. Shiba Inu fans are having a heck of a week. Surprise announcement of things like Shiba Inu Game Studio have cropped up too much excitement. But beyond this, the pub coin is finally getting its listing in on crypto exchange Kraken, right? Consistently, the token is continuing its upward tear. Many now hope that the currency can fly back to all-time high, right? That didn't quite happen. Well, it's not over yet, right? So, la 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 la. Okay, blah blah blah, right? So, yeah, a lot of these articles have no real right. They talk about a lot of things that we've talked about already. So yeah, just wanted to quickly see if there's anything there. So nothing important. That stands unbelievable. Um, it involves some device. Okay. uh, these people and they want to talk jail. Honestly, priest, it's pretty that's so yeah. I don't know what to tell you. You want roses and words? I want a hot rate sell. Well, maybe not. Hi, guys. Hi. Good evening. Welcome. It's a hot rate after dark. Let's hang out, right? Let's hang out for a bit and see what happens and then go from there. If you have any questions, please ask, right? If you have any questions, please ask. Please and thank you. Here's some MySpace. Blocksville. Okay. Jason says, "Wow, guys! Wow, guys! Wow!" Right, Jason? It's hot rates after dark. Anything happens here after dark, so I'm sorry. Kota, hello, hi. Chilling in my sheep, burn hoodie, and my son, man, asked for the avocados T-shirt. Quality stuff. Let's go, TC. Let's go. Where the comments are dirty and the minds are never clean. Yep. So is this where we start dropping with Shiba aka Doge 2.0, Sean? If we break below, like if we start breaking below the 90 EMA again, right, then that might be a concern. For now, though, it's holding key level support, broke above the downtrend, right? So let's see if we can hold that downtrend and recover back above 50, right? If we can, okay, that's a different story, right? So, and there's still catalysts lined up, right? So, the thing with Doge was, right? So the thing with that is, sure, we had SNO. Like we had SNO, but after SNO, what else was there for a few months until the rocket launch, right? So what were people looking forward to, right? There wasn't a whole lot, right, to look forward to other than people saying, okay, so once you get past all the excitements, right, you're like, oh, SNL, Doge J, blah 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 blah. Okay, now that that's over, okay, what else is there, right? What else for hype, right? Because again, a lot of people buy now because of fundamentals, right? So Shiba still has a lot of things they're looking forward to, right? I think a lot of people are waiting for Robinhood, end of the year, beginning of 2022 or something. We'll see if that happens, right? And yeah, so Crow, nothing special happened the last few days. Yeah, Crow has some. So let's see what Crow does at 65, right? Some or uh, sheep, not a sheep is what? Sheep, sheep, not sheep. That's fine. Shiba, Shiba, sheep, Shiba. That's okay. That's okay, Blogsville. Between the two runs, and coincidence, Sean. Hola, B. Hola, familia. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? I found a new challenge for me. A new challenge. Is it easy? Like, you want me to do a challenge? I hope it's not the one chip challenge. Well, you said a new challenge. Is it, what is it, Queen? I want to know. What am I supposed to do? It's not healthy for me. N- You're not, okay, you're not a long term investor. Yeah, you have to know that, right? You have to know that before you get into a position and have levels that you're taking profits at or cutting your losses, right? So I have a question I can't add to my UK account, Hamid. Yeah, you just have to contact someone, right? Contact someone. So contact someone, and then I'm sure they're gonna help you. Go through the stream. Um, to the stream and not say the word. The whole stream, like the whole stream, Queen. Go through the whole stream. So that's the challenge. Go through the whole stream without saying right. Can you look up Ocean Coin? Ocean Coin, Tim. Ocean. Sure, I'll try. Is that ticker symbol? Is it a symbol or not a tick? Is it a symbol, Tim? Let me know. Yeah, there you go, B. He says, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and there you go. Impossible. I like the words that I say now all the time. I'm like, where's that coming from? Like, why? Impossible? Can you do it? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You, yes, I can, and I'm gonna get it done. What's the symbol, Tim? Let me know. Drinking game thing. Yep, Nanya. It sounds like a drinking game. Yep. Can I look at Shiru Inu, please? What's that, VJ? Can you look at the history of Shiba past 12 months? What do you want to see? What do you want to see? I can take a look, but like, do you have something in mind you're looking for, young Suna? Let me know. I can take a look, of course. There's not that much detail in it, right? Shiba sat there for months and then exploded and then retraced, and that's the end, right? In the beginning, there was Shiba pump because a Doge killer, and then dumped, and then did nothing, and then new hype, and then yeah, and here we are, right? So one Shiba, one penny. It's NFT trading card game. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look in a bit. Booyah, booyah. Uh, Unbelievable. Of course he did, Mindy. Of course he did. Okay, that's the symbol ocean. Okay, Tim, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Crystal, you know what, Crystal? You know what's, you know what's, you know what's, you know. There you go. I'm not gonna say it, guys. Don't even bother. Don't even bother. I'm not gonna say anything. You guys can try virus. Virus, you know what? Y- I'm not gonna say a word. Do you be unbelievable? Like unbelievable. You slipped. You slipped already? No, I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything, guys. Nothing has been said. Like nothing's been said. Green, nothing's been said. Go through the whole stream talking about the charts without actually looking at the charts. Shiva to the moon. Shiva looking to break above resistance here. So let's see if we can, right? So la la la. Mm, uh mm, 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 mm. Let's see. There you go. Nah, bye bye. Is for the teasing, the teasing. Chris, I said nothing. Nothing's been said. Coda? Yeah, I am. Alrighty, so I bought $1,000 in sheep when it was 65, waiting patiently. Edgar, okay, yeah. Um, it's trying, right? It's moving in the right direction, which is a really good sign, right? So please and thank you. You're in at 363. Okay, let's take a look at mana. Let's take a look. Mana, mana, mana. So mana here. Let me take a look at the daily. What's mana? If my chart's taking work properly, guys. Um, it's so funny. Like, okay, no, there we go. Should be working now. There you go. So in 360, let it go, right? It's playing on nicely, right? It's playing on really nicely here. Right, Crystal, again, like hit resistance, retrace, recover, finally broke above. Actually broke above right there, right there. And here we go, right? So again, mana hit that resistance at 550 there, 550, right? Failed there multiple times, so you could see that again, there's some resistance here. Now we have support. We can maybe look for $4 here as support, right, Crystal? We can maybe look for four here, that previous top there, those two candles there, and all this range here, so we can look for that as support. But for now, again, we currently have resistance at 550 here, so that would be the level you need to break to go higher here. So my only concern here, Crystal, is the fact that the thing broke below the nine, right? Again, so it's been riding it higher, right? Again, we broke again. So this is what we talked about on Shiba as well, right, guys? Again, well, okay, I messed it up. This is what we talked about on Shiba, right? Shiba breaks above the nine. What do we need? What are we gonna do? We're gonna go for a nice run, right? Again, that's the same thing that Mana did here, right? Again, messed it up, right? Broke above the nine EMA here. You guys can suck it. That's what you can do. You can suck it, right? Broke above the nine EMA, had a nice run up, but breaking below here now is a sign of concern. So again, watch the next two candles here closely, right? Because if we keep failing at this level, we might just retrace back here to 4 and 350. Jason, you know what, B? You know what? That's around 100. Okay, Queen, let's try this again. Let's try this again. This is this is this is Crystal's fault. This is Crystal's fault. Let's try a new game. Let's try a new game, Queen. Okay, what can I not say tonight? You're rolling, Nanya. You're rolling. Okay, no, find a different word, guys, that I'm not allowed to say. And then I'll take a look, Crypto Man. So be yeah, Crystal, just be a little bit cautious here because again, the next two candles here, if we struggle at this level, you might just see $4 here. We either need to reclaim that level right away, otherwise we're selling to $4 350. So this is a drinking game. You would be messed up. Yep. Yep. That's not gonna work, B. That's not gonna work. He couldn't hold them in. Nope. Test and hold. I'm not. No, that's too easy. La 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 is too easy. Test and hold is too easy. Show your Vince. Show what? Can't say Shiba? No, we have to say Shiba. Uh, these night streams are the best, Andrew. Yeah, they are. Okay, no, Queen. Give me a new word. Give me a new word. I'll try. I'll try. These ones are too easy for me. Like those ones are like There you go. No, this is all Queen guys. Okay, you can't say unbelievable. Now, how am I supposed to live? Like, how am I supposed to live? Be like, how do I live when I can't say words like Okay, I'll try. I'll try my absolute bestest. Absolute bestest, guys. I'm in trouble. As soon as I saw that word, I was like, nothing was said, right? So I'm in trouble, but let's get it done. So I can't say, there you go. That's it. Sign instead of speak. Yep. Alrighty, guys. So, Crystal, you're good with Shiba. You're good with mana here. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna have to pick my words. Slowly. What's your position so what's your position in Loopring here? Let me know, and then I'll take. Um, guys, that was 1 whole minute. 1 whole minute of not saying it. What do you want from me? It's 1 whole minute. I tried. I tried. Minutes? Your laughter be unbelievable. Absolute rubbish. You guys know me too well. That's why. 60 seconds, guys. You know that I'm never gonna get back. My food lasted. King, what do you? King of card. What's your question? Let me know. Okay, here we go. So you bought at 210, $1,000. Just trying to see what my thoughts are about Loopring. Okay, I can take a look at the chart, right, and then maybe give you some technical levels there to pay attention to. Unbelievable, Queen. Goodness. Okay, guys. Okay, okay, okay. I promise this time. Give me another word, Queen. Another one, and I'll get it done. At least I'm gonna last longer than a minute. Give me another one, Queen. Let's go. She's gonna spit on the camera. Yep. Give me one more, Queen. One more. And I'm gonna crush it. There you go. Okay, please. Yeah, Shiba. Yeah, we'll see. So you bought at 210, 210, 210. So that's a pretty nice entry, actually. Not bad, right? So not bad at all. Like, is it a long term position for you, or do you have a plan with it? I mean, I'm just zooming out here just to make sure we're not missing anything here. Yeah, that's a very nice run up, and we have support at 250 here, right? So I'd be paying attention to 250 here closely. As long as you sit above this 250 level, you should be okay, right? As long as you hold that level, you're fine, right? Completely okay there. If we can get back above, right? If we can get back above the 90 EMA here, back above $3, I think you're good to go back to new highs, right? So that's what I'd be paying attention to them. Uh, uh, that's what you want me to not say, okay? You don't want me to say okay? Is that what, okay? Is that the word, Queen? Let me know. Is okay the word? Rubbish. Would speak easily treatable with medication. For the absolutely crypto man. He might have 3 seconds. No, what the word? Okay, okay. So okay is the word. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm good to go, guys. It's gonna be a disaster. I might as well not say anything for the next minute, so it can be success. The word is okay. That's the word. So I'm not allowed to say okay for the next. You said it 6 times. No, I'm starting, guys. I'm starting. I'm letting you guys know what the challenge is, and I'm getting it out of the way. It's done. It's done. You know, we might as well. Time starts now. Okay, done. Let's go. No, it starts now, like Queen says. Yeah, it's getting. Yeah, yeah, guys. I'm saying it so it does not let us know which coin lasts longer. Mm. Smash a like if you're new. Smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and all the fun stuff. Want to see more? I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. This is yeah, guys. These are words I getting this out of his system before he challenges to a baby food challenge. Yep. It's so funny how it's one word. Like it's one word, guys. It's one word. But now that one word like just hinders me from saying anything else because now I'm like so self-conscious. It's been more than a minute. It has to it has been. Smash a like if you're laughing out loud. There you go. Like it's one stupid word. How long will Blaze last? Not 8 ball, you better say forever. I'm trying to be thank you, 8 ball. You know what I mean? 8 ball, like you know what I mean? Not even mad. Not even mad. 8 ball and I have friends and clearly not happy with you, Queen. Clearly not happy. Community? 1 minute, man. Yeah, well, didn't say it. I didn't say it. I did not say it, guys. Didn't say it. You know, let me take a look again. Let's put up. Um, let me take a look at Gala here and see what that looks like. So Gala here looks very similar. Again, all these metaverse coins all looking very similar, right? This one's done really well. Like Gala's done really really well. Right, we finally broke above that level. They had a nice run up, holding the 90 EMA here really nicely. So yeah, looks fine here to me. Looks completely fine here to me. So yeah, holding above that moving average here as well. Looks fine. What else? You want to take a look at BTC here? Let me take a look. Bitcoin doing 57 still? Okay. It's done, guys. It's done. It's more than a minute. It's done. Okay. It's done. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, it's done. I s- it's part of my stream vocabulary, guys. 3 minutes and 14 seconds, Jason. See? 3 minutes and 14 seconds, guys. Look at that. Great try, Jason. Yeah. Beth, I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. You and Idball going for drinks this weekend? Yeah, we are. We are because you're enjoying this too much. I know you are. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's Blaze in a Canadian tracksuit. I don't know. Mine a Canadian tracksuits. What does a Canadian tracksuit look like? I don't know. 4 minutes. All time records. Look at that. We're breaking records tonight, guys. Breaking records. Queen, did that beat your first boyfriend? 4 minutes? Look at that. Breaking records. Um for what? Oh, be for BBH? BBH? Evan, hello. I needed this loud tonight though, so thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. If you're not holding Shiba, you're missing out, Vince. There you go. You know what? This might as well be a Canadian tracksuit because We let me leave you there. Congrats, thank you, Evan. Right? Someone's happy for me for 4 minutes. It's a champion's record. Look at that, guys. Even Usain Bolt couldn't last 4 minutes. Usain Bolt, 99 seconds, 9 point something seconds, 8 point something seconds, 4 minutes. Unbelievable. It's going to choke on his. Unbelievable. YouTube is gonna ban us, guys. What are you trying to get me to look at, virus? What do you want me to look at here? What do you want? What do you want, virus? 445. Okay, 4745. So yeah, Shiba really isn't doing a whole lot there. Yep. This is how if you're just joining the stream for the first time, this is your reaction. That's your reaction. It's like, what's happening here? He's going. Laughs. I swear he sounds like a scuba diver running out of air. Yep. I know. I know. Giving Queen a 4 minutes, a heavyweight. Let's go roadside. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Unbelievable. Is this a channel or group? Julian, it's all of it. All of it. All of it, Julian. So again, let us know if you need help, guys. If you're here watching and you have questions, please ask. Right? And then amongst all the rubbish, we can cover your question, right? So rights, okay, yeah, unbelievable, rubbish, and suckets. Absolutely, Queen. Absolutely, absolutely, unbelievable. Okay, Julian, your first time? Yeah, no, we cover everything. This is just again. So when we talk about Shiba, on a smaller time frame, and then we zoom out all these candles and all these rockets, all everything we've talked about, all the lines, resistance and support lines, they all converge together, right? So that's why it's really messy, and I'm not gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up. It's goes for the Nintendo Switch. Unbelievable. So let me take a look at Doge here, guys. What does Doge look like here? What is what do we look like here on Doge? I mean, it's trying, right? So it needs to get back above 22 still as well, right? So it's trying to recover here though, right? So November the 10th, blah blah blah. It's trying. So like we talked about, right? Dogecoin potentially here needs a catalyst, right? Whether that's 2022, right? Satellite launch there by SpaceX. It needs something, some something, guys. Let's move on here because there's really not a whole lot moving here tonight. So that's Shiba on the right there. We talked about this quite a bit when the market was BTC there, 57 still. Get rid of that there. Make sure Shiba is right there. There you go. I want to see only. What do you want to see? Pull up Crow. Clear. Okay, I'll take a look at Crow. I'll take a look at Crow. What did Andrew say, Amber? Transactions when trading crypto? Are you limited in transactions when trading crypto? When you say limited transactions, what do you mean? Shouldn't be, right? But I walked into right. Yep, that's how Julian feels. What's your position clear? What's your position in Crow? I'll take a look. I'll take a look here. So you're looking for Crow. Let me pull that up there on BTC. We talked about Crow quite a bit, right? We know exactly where that support level is, right? 65. That's where the bottom seems to be for now. Well, nothing. It's never really a guaranteed bottom, but 65 seems to be a level that it's looking to hold over and over and over, right? So 65. If, for example, if I take a look at the hourly time frame here, you're gonna see that 65 level more clearly, right? So 65. Where's that level? Right there, right? So we've had a double bottom at 65 already, and it's holding. So again, hopefully Crow here can continue to hold above this level, right? Bottom. As long as you sit above that level, then sit above that level, you should be okay for now, right? So, but if it starts breaking below and failing to reclaim it right away, then that's a sign of concern, right? For now, though, that's completely okay. Keep in mind that this thing's had a very strong run, and it again, there's nothing wrong with a retracement and finding a new base, right? So there you go. Uh, in stocks, day trades. Oh no, no restrictions. Jason, no restrictions. Want to see more? Yeah, no restrictions. If that's what you meant, right? So, Crystal, limited stacks. Hard today, Jason. Okay, STX. Let me take a look. I don't know if it's on here. STX. There we go. Binance had a nice run today, 12%. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all here. Hmm. A 12% run for stacks here. I mean, that's impressive when you take a look at the rest of the crypto market and see what it's done today. A 12% run is nothing to be you know. So, uh, yeah, is that all time highs here today? Yeah, it is. So, not bad, not bad at all. December the first tomorrow. Is it actually December the first tomorrow? Okay. Uh, okay. Thank you, Jason. Look good right now. So the market should partially suck tomorrow. I don't know what to tell you, Andrew. Honestly, again, the thing we could maybe go with is the fact that all these negative, again, all these COVID articles that have come out and say, yeah, usually when these things come out, it's a 1 day sell off, right, and then a recovery to all time highs. We're gonna need the rest of the week to play out before we can, say, okay, well, back on it, market downtrend, right? We're about to sell off for the rest of the year or something like that. So Ethereum is having a good night. Okay, let me take a look. Let's take a look. There we go. 2%. For wow, yeah. This thing's uh, this thing's done well. Like the retracement that Bitcoin is having, this thing hasn't retraced as much, which is fair. Which is fair though, because Bitcoin has had a really nice run up, and for a long time Ethereum was just looking and looking and looking, right? So yeah, resistance at what here? This level here at 4.8, right? So 4.850. Yeah. On Crow, Vince, thank you. Let's keep going. You bought Crow at 40. What do you think it's gonna do? I bought Crow at. You bought it at 40. What do you think it's gonna do? My favorite person in Canada. It's because you only know one person in Canada, Kobe. Again, as long as that thing holds about 65 for now, you should be okay, Kobe. Right? We formed the double bottom at 65 on Cross, so as long as it holds above that level, you should be okay. If we break back above 70, you might be looking for a dollar now, right? Recover back above 70, you might just be looking for some more hype to come in. Do you know when the name change happens, Kobe? When does the name change happen? I mean, if you can make as many as often as when cashing in crypto from game yeah, you can, yeah, you can. So okay, Cody. Cody, you bought at 40. Let me take a look. I know we looked at this one earlier today. There we go. He bought it at 40 cents. 40 cents. It seems to be forming a base here at 40 cents, actually. Not too bad here. Up 3%. That's not bad at all, Kobe. I don't mind this. It's nice profit taking there after getting a double top, right? So again, this is usually a signal of a sell-off, right? A double top, usually a signal of a retracement. But what are we retracing to? Well, retracing to that previous top there, right? Previous tops, which is expected, right? Expected to retrace to these previous tops here, previous tops, and try and hold above that level, right? Which it did, holding above 40 here, so should be okay here as well. Should be okay. So here you go. There's there's someone else in Canada, in Canadian. Someone else in Canadian we know. Is it a moose? queen? Is it a moose? Who else in Canada do you know? Who else? No, Kobe. That thing that this thing is playing out really nicely here. Cody's playing out really nicely. These drops here are expected. Um, so when you get a double top, usually on the chart, it's a signal of a retracement back to those previous highs, right? So again, previous high, double top, and continuation, right? Let me see if I can zoom out here and show you some more examples. The same thing that happened here. Take a look. The most important thing here is the close of these candles, right? Look at this run up here, double top, right? Where do we come back to? We came back down to this previous top level. So I'm going to put a line here so you can see what I mean, right? Look at that, right? Again, top, came back down to that previous top and then recovered, right? Went for a nice run there. Same thing happening here. 1 2, retrace it to our level, the new previous tops here. And are we trying to recover now? It's doing the same thing over and over. So now you'd be looking for these things to hold 40 and make some new highs. That's what you'd be looking for there. Use for charts, need a good one for Canadians. A visual. I use TradingView. TradingView. There's a link in the description there for TradingView. I also know Drake. You know Drake, Kobe? Okay. Dreezy Drake from the six. There you go. It's the moose. He lives in your backyard. The moose. I like the moose too. TradingView. Yeah, no, Kobe should be okay there as long as it holds above 40. If at any point it breaks below, then okay, there might be some slight worry there because you might be looking to retrace back to those previous levels. Right, these levels here back to 27. If you break below that 40 level, so just be aware, just be cautious there. But for now, this thing is trending higher. So trending high. Good evening, hot slots. Hello, Go Shiba and Phoenix Suns versus Warriors. Now on TNT, the Warriors, absolute fire. The Suns are pretty amazing. The Suns are really good too. So two good teams. You expecting sheep to be pretty quiet tonight, or what? Or what about the Latin America listing? There's a Latin America listing, Bree. I had no idea. There's another listing, Latin America. So I don't expect that to have a whole bunch of impact, though, right? Unless these guys didn't have access to that anyways in the beginning, and now that they can actually buy, because again, like all of this is mainly because of hype, right? We pump because of hype. Kraken, we pumped before on Kraken because of hype. So if Latin America doesn't have that same amount of hype, then it's not going to make any difference, right? So the only thing you can maybe say is, oh, maybe these guys had no access to it in the first place. They couldn't use Kraken, KuCoin, and all these other platforms, and maybe they have their own platform now, and millions of people are actually going to use it. If not, then that's a different story. But let's go back over to Shiba here. If you have any questions, make sure you're asking. Ask away. Ask away. Yeah, no, Shiba really not doing a whole lot. Just slowly retracing, guys. Slowly retracing, and yeah. Buy the hype sell the news, guys. How annoying is that? Absolutely visual. Absolutely. I was thinking of buying Avalanche. You think it's a good buying point right now? I'll take a look, Obi. Take a look at Avax. I'll take a look at Avax. Mercado Bitcoin announced on Twitter they're listing it. Okay, they're listing for tomorrow. Okay, Mercado. Let me take a look. Mercado. Oh, la la la. Mm, exchange. Okay. Let's see. Mm, listing. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna have a huge. Honestly, I don't know if that's gonna have Brie. I don't know if that's gonna have a. I don't know if that's gonna have a huge impact here, right? So if they're listing tomorrow, well, it should be pumping, right? It should be moving high here if buy hype. Hype, hype, hype. Doesn't seem to have any. See you guys later. Go Shiba. Good content on your channel. As have a good night. As have a good night. Watching the NBA game. Bye. Okay, sounds good. Almost. Let's go, guys. Smash a like. Let's get above 100. Let's get above 100 likes, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like. Unbelievable. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah, again, if you want to come join us in Discord, the membership link was just shared there by by Virus, right? So the membership link is right there. So come join us in Discord. The NBA, guys, the NBA. Let me see. Yeah, there's honestly not a whole lot happening. So yeah, we'll give it about another however long we wanted to stream for. I think we have about another hour or so, and then we can take a break and then come back whenever. Largest exchange in Latin America, no biggie. Just thought it was cool, Bree. I know. Again, so maybe what happens is it maybe pumps after that, right? So again, like we've explained today, right? So what happens with these pumps are it's not about the listing itself, right? Again, longevity, sure. In the long run, yeah, absolutely, sure, sure, sure. But people love hype, right? People love hype. It's not like you couldn't buy. You couldn't again. It's not like again, take a look at what happened, right? Kraken announced that they were listing Shiba today, right? And we had a nice pump from yesterday. So that pump was not because people could buy it on Kraken. It was because again, it was like, oh my goodness, you can actually buy in on it. It's hype, 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 hype. Okay, let's buy, right? So and then it's actually listed now. So we're going down. People are like, oh, okay, now that it's listed, what's next? What's next? What's next? Right? So it's all about the hype, right? At least for now. At least for now. So there you go. So that's why people get overly excited about Robinhood because that's gonna come with a lot of excitement, right? So new to the channel, Jaden, welcome to the channel. Let us know if you have any questions or need any help. How do you get the needle on the bottom right? The needle, the buy and sell needle there. Well, first things first. I barely trust this needle. Like I barely trust it because it seems to be very delayed, right? So when it says strong sell, that's almost when you want to be buying. When it says strong buy, that's almost when you want to be like, okay, like do I want to take profits here or what to do, right? So just be careful. Again, don't trust this one though, because this is on a smaller time frame. This is more for scalping, right? It's the quick turnarounds, the ups and the downs, ups and the downs, right? So when I look at this needle, if I wanted to look at this needle, I'd be looking for it on the daily time frame there. So to have any type of confidence, yeah. But how do you get it? You just have to find the right chart. I know some of them don't have it. You just have to play around. So, for example, search Shiba, and then you just have to find the right chart. So I'm using the Binance chart here, and it's on there, right? So just find the right one, and then you should be good to go. What's up, Sud? Hello. Looking. Oh, you mean like Shiba isn't looking hot? Shiba isn't looking hot. No, Shiba's fine, guys. Right. Holding above support, broke above the downtrend. People taking profits, which is fine. Let me take a look. Actually, let me put up. I'm gonna put up Shiba beside Bitcoin here, so we can, just keep an eye out on. Let me take a look. BTC here, Coinbase here. What are we doing? Retracing slightly, but retracing nonetheless. So there you go. I'll leave that up there so we can compare and see what's happening. See if we're following anything here, right? So doesn't seem to be following Bitcoin here now. I mean, it was earlier today, but it doesn't seem to be following right now. So we're on a clear downtrend here, right? So had a nice run up, broke below, and then retraced, right? So again, this is usually what happens. This is the expectation here when you break below moving average, right? So what am I looking for? I'm looking for this line here. When you break below moving average, you expect to sell off, and that level is not going to become resistance, right? So, yeah. Next level support, guys, 465 for Shiba. 465. Um, what about COC? 20 million metaverse token launching VR casino and bar. All profits to all profits go back to the 50K supply. Check the chart. Set up on it. Okay, cheaper than compared to Mana. 8 billion. Again, crypto lord. When you see the VO, no. Okay, it's on Uniswap. Okay, it's not available on my streaming software here for charting, so I'll have to take a look later or something. COC. I'll keep that in mind. Bounce baby bounce, bounce baby bounce, guys. Come on, Chiba. Come on, let's go. Let me see. We have a new member. A new member. I have no idea who that is because it didn't show up for me here. So maybe someone just upgraded or something. So seems to be a new member somewhere. So if you are the new member, welcome. I didn't see anything. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Maybe yeah, welcome. Make sure you join us in Discord. So the membership link is in the community tab there. There you go. La la. Mr. Saitama. Saitama's best. Saitama's best. I mean, it's always nicer when Miss Saitama is best. Why do you think Saitama is best? I know you guys have been having some issues with some Safe Moon like issues, right? So don't want to compare that to Safe Moon because it's not. But I know you guys have been having issues. But why do you think it's Miss Saitama? Why do you think it's best? 20. Nah. Oh, you're just spamming it now. A crypto lord. So please try not to try not to spam, please and thank you. Abraham, let me take a look. Let me take a look. XYO. What's your position in this play here? Let me know. Let me know, Abraham. Just so I know what I'm looking at here. What's your position? What is your position? Again, this thing looks fine here to me, right? It's had that nice pump up and it's basically flagging here. So if this thing breaks below this level, then yeah, concerned. But for now, this is completely healthy. Resistance to 7 cents here, right? Resistance to 7 cents. Support at, I know it's quite low down here, but 4 cents here would be your support, right? So 7 and 4, 7 and 4. There you go. Yeah, those would be the levels I'd be paying attention to them. I can even move this here to 4-5 actually. So I'm gonna move, yeah, 4-5. That makes a lot more sense there for me. So again, again, resistance at that level, support at 4-5 here, right? So again, looks completely fine here to me if you're holding already. You're in at 6-5, okay? 6-5. So you bought in between that range there for XYO here. So yeah, this thing's fine here for me for now, right? So holding support, flagging after a nice run up. Initially resistance, right? You can see that we had resistance there, resistance here, resistance here. So now when we break above resistance, you expect that level to now become support, and it did, right? So again, push above, come back and test that previous resistance, now holding a support, right? Forming a new base higher. So yeah, as long as it holds above that level, should be okay there, Abraham. Michael says, what about NFTs? What do you mean? What about NFTs? Jonathan, good evening. What about NFTs? What about NFTs? Give me a minute, guys. La la la. Can you take a look at MZ? Let's see if it's on here. It's not. Let me see if I can find it on CoinMarketCap here. La, la. La, la. Meta. Metazilla. Metazilla. It's a long-term position for you. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking. Looking. Infinity here. This goes back to what? So this came out on the 11th. Came out on the 11th. Hasn't really done a whole lot here, so there's not a whole lot of information here that I can look at. Right from a technical point of view here, not a whole lot. So again, it seems like you've done the research though, because if you're willing to hold this long term, you most likely have done the research. This thing isn't looking too bad. It's approaching those highs again, which is a really good sign, right? So when you open up and you sell off and then you recover, that's a really good sign. So this is actually interesting here. Really interesting. I don't know if this is on a hmm. Where did you buy this on? Where did you buy this on? Let me know, because it seems really interesting actually. Maurice, where did you buy that on? That chart looks interesting. Though. Take a look. Is it just on Bitmart or Unis or what? What did you buy it on? There you go. So that looks fine there. Switch to the minute there. Come on, Shiba. There you go, Shiba. So Shiba came back down to that support level, right, at 465 here, and it's bouncing. So looking back above the downtrend here. So now let's recover, guys. Let's get back to 47, please and thank you. Here we go, right? So again, break below, you expect a sell-off, right? Break above, you expect a pump, right? So again, that's where scalping comes in play, right? When you're scalping these things, right, you're looking to sell as we hit resistance, and you're looking to buy as we hit support, right? And then recover from there over and over, right? So again, you sell as we hit resistance, you buy as we hit support, right? We usually bounce at least, right? You usually try and bounce over and over, right? Again, resistance, right? Support, we bounce, right? And feel that resistance over and over and over. That's what we're trying to do here now. Trying to bounce. Shiba trying to bounce there. So let's go, go, go. Please and thank you. Let's go, Beth. Let's go. Read your response above. Okay, thank you. They are in the it's a one-stop shop. Less gas fees. I can get most tokens because they are not available here in the US unless you go through several exchanges. I miss, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, Scotty. Daybots, the Daybots, guys. Daybot in action. What's your position? Pancake swap. Okay, Maurice, thank you. Hmm. Uh, what's your position in that play there, Sonny? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. No, 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 if if I can find it on here. Otherwise, again, I might have to take a look at something else. It's available on here, so I'll take a look at that quickly here. Again, Shiba looks fine here now, right? Well, looks better, right? Back above this moving average, and it's trying to recover there. Let me take a look at XYO here. Let's do na na X na 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 na. Yeah, let me know where your position in this play is, and then I'll take a look here. Switch over to a bigger time frame here, so just a you know, let's see. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. La la la. What about on Coinbase? Okay, sounds good. Like what did you get in what did you what's your entry price is what I'm asking, Sonny. $222. What did you buy it for? What did you buy it for? Then I can take a look. But yeah, other than 225, 225, you formatted a little bit, right? So 225, you must have bought on the way down here. This honestly, again, it's not too bad. Like I don't mind that, right? So you can see here that this is again initially a level of resistance, right? So the last time we hit this level, go back all the way there. The right here as well. This 220, what level is that? 220, 217 ish, 217 to 18. This level seems to be a base. It seems to be a level of support. You can see again. So on November the 28th here, this thing hit this level and bounce, right? Had a nice strong run to 150 to 250 almost, right? 250, 260, right? And then came back again to 27, 218, right? And bounced again all the way to 240. And it's trying to do the same thing again, right? So again, this level here, 218, seems to be support. So as long as you hold that base for now, Sunny, should be okay, right? So yeah, hopefully you can keep going here. Matic. Matic is a giant cup and handle. Handle, we are currently pushing up. Might be a good 100% pump for Matic. Here comes our Crystal, guys. Crystal's gonna hear Matic and come back and say something. So Matic here. Let me take a look at this on here. So Matic. Yeah. Again, we've looked at Matic in the past quite a bit, right? We have. And you can see that we have support here at this level at 150, right? So again, if you bought on this retracement here 150, I can see a cup and handle there forming, very nice, right? So confirmation of that cup and handle would be a break above, like, like 210, 210, 220 there. Confirm that cup and handle, and then keep going, right? So yeah, again, support here at $1.50. Nice push above, came back and tested that support again. You're always looking to buy at support, not FOMO in, right? So again, don't FOMO, wait for it to come back and test support, right? You buy, and then it's bouncing, right? So again, nice cup and handle there, but you still need confirmation, right? But it's looking good, right? Looking good for Matic there, right? So if you bought the dip at $1.50, I'm sure you're happy with that. So it's supposed to be listed on a foreign exchange tomorrow called Mercado Bitcoin. Yeah, 100. Yeah, I think Bria is still here. I don't know if Bria is still here, but she mentioned that, right? So um, a few minutes ago. Uh, yeah, these guys have almost 100,000 followers there, so not huge, right? So let me see if I can let me see if they have any pictures here on their site. La, la. It's in a different language, so it's hard. Right, but again, that's what they're doing, right? So they're listing Shiba there. Let me see if I can get you a link here. Copy link to tweet. Yeah, so it's in a different language, so I can't really can't really translate that. But it seems like tomorrow seems to be what people are talking about. There you go. Actually, this thing was in my Twitter from yeah. Okay, okay. There you go. Uh-huh. Crypto general. Nah. There you go. Twitter. Yeah, I no, I just found the tweet. Yeah, I just yeah. There you go, Bree. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's in a different language. So I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, that seems to be the. So let me show you this tweet here. So, right. So that's it. Right, Shiba tomorrow. Right, December 1st, guys. December 1st. Right. So maybe someone can translate for me here, but there seems to be a. There you go. Mm, let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow. There you go. Are there any English comments here? Nope. But these guys have been hmm, cool. You guys have seen this already, right? So we will be officially accepting Sheep token by early December, right? Via BitPay, right? From New Egg, right? So uh, yeah, cool. Just wanted to quickly take a look at that. It doesn't seem to be having an effect yet, so you know, so not sure what to tell you. It's not really not performing as we would like here. What happened here on Shiba, guys? Unbelievable. Good night, Nanya. I'm toast. Thanks for the broken ribs. You're welcome, Nanya. Have a good night. Have a good night. Be available on with a track record of appreciation for this so far this year. Okay, thank you, Brim. Any new any money I get? Enjoy. Okay, translation. Thank you, B. Thank you. One of the most appreciated coins in 2021, in which accumulated a veritable army of followers. That's it. Tomorrow, Shiva will. Okay, cool. Thank you very much, Bree. Thank you. Translation, guys. Translation Shiba to the moon. No. So we'll see what happens, right, Bree? So the difference with this one maybe is the fact that with Kraken, right, that was all hype, 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 right, right. So the difference with this one is we might have a whole bunch of people in a different region that had no access to Shiba that are not able to actually buy it, right? So maybe we'll see. Hi, Peter. I haven't laughed like that in forever. Well, that's Hot Traits After Dark. Nanya, welcome to Hot Traits. And yeah, so these night streams are usually just for some hanging out, some laughs, some fun. So good to have you. Have a good night. No, it was fun. It was fun, guys. It was fun. It was a fun stream. So yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like. There you go. I've been waiting since Matrix NFT or NFTs. Yeah, I bet there are a lot of people waiting in line for that stuff. 100, a whole lot of people. So I'm not surprised that it's an issue to get. No surprises. PPSI Crispy. That's tomorrow morning. We can talk about PPSI tomorrow morning, Crispy. This is just for mostly crypto. Mostly crypto. Just hang out. Nothing serious, just to hang out, right? So there she goes. There she goes. Come on, Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. Give us a pump. All right, let's get one of these nightly pumps here. Can you check the current resistance for Matic? Kobe, we just covered Matic, right? We covered Matic. Again, as long as that thing holds above like $1.50, you're fine. It needs to break above. Your level of resistance is as we approach like $2 and 210. Um, there you go. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Robinhood wallets won't allow you to transfer it to and from other wallets? If so, is this a good? Is that a good? Is it true? Robinhood wallets won't allow you to transfer to. Where you getting that from? Where you hearing that from, Steve? I mean, that's what a wallet is supposed to do, right? So transfer to and from. So I'm not sure why they wouldn't let you transfer. Let's go, Kobe. Super chat, guys, from Bree. Thanks for taking the time to answer everyone tonight. Absolutely. Have a good night, Bree. Absolutely. We try and get to the questions, all the questions. Again, Bree, thank you very much for sharing that information for the new Shiba listing there. So, hi, Kotes. Hello. Yeah. Let's go. My Christy. Here comes the other troublemakers, guys. Christy, Peter, and Cortez. You know, highly questionable people. For Elon, nah, the name of the Doge. No, no, the dogs became the dogs who send themselves to the Mars planet animal. Okay. Is it a scam coin? I have no idea. 100. I have no idea. I have no idea. 100 ape. Work tomorrow. Saturina. Have a good night. Have a good night. Um, you look like a soccer coach. Uh, Peter, have you seen that video? It's a video. It's a soccer coach. I'll have to find it and send it to you. Uh, I'll have to find it and send it to you. It's a pretty funny soccer coach. You can never make it. Uh, I'll try to post the link, Steve. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So yeah, that's something I haven't looked at yet. I completely, I have no clue. Why why you wouldn't be allowed to transfer to and from. But that kind of makes a little bit of sense, and it doesn't at the same time because we've speculated for a bit that again, when Robinhood finally comes out with these wallets, a lot of people are gonna leave the platforms, right? Why? Because people are just frustrated with them, right? So maybe that's why they're maybe saying, oh, you can't transfer anything out. You can save it right as a wallet, but you can't transfer anything out of the wallet, right? So not sure why, but yeah. How long do you think before we get to Dion? I have no idea, right? No one can give you a timeline. Like they need to hurry, Christy, right? They need to hurry. It's hard to walk away. You never know what sheep is what the sheep is coming next. Yep. I know. I know. Yeah, I know, Christy. Right. It seems like maybe end of the year, beginning of 2022. That's when those wallets are gonna come out, right? So, Rachel, Revenant has its head on backwards. What can we say? What can we say? What can we say? They have their own roles. They have their own things. Their own things. So their own things, guys. La la. You got this. Thank you. La, la. It's hard to leave the streams in general. Code says, yeah, especially the night streams. The night streams, you never know what's gonna happen at night. We've had some pretty crazy night streams, so yeah. Has Kraken crashed? Has Kraken crashed with a sheep listing, Eric? Not that we are aware of. I don't know. So no, no. Usually these things crash on the way up, right? Usually that's when they crash. Nothing's happened. With they haven't really. There hasn't really been a pump, right? So will sheep hit all-time highs this week? I have no idea. All right. First things first. Let's get back about 50 at least, and then we can get back about 70, and then we can talk about all-time highs. Shiba gets above 60. I think that's going to be the only focus, right? All-time high, all-time high, all-time high. But for now, we have some other things to pay attention to first. Yeah, we are all addicted. It's an issue. Yeah, it is an issue. It's an issue. Even when nothing's happening, Beth, we're here streaming. So we have an issue. So I've been lurking for over a month. Nonya, okay. Well, glad you're finally a member. You're in Discord now, right, Nonya? You're in Discord, so it should be good to go. So now you can spend 24/7. Uh, I don't think anything happened. Varus, what do you want me to say? Nothing happened. Like nothing happened. 6 million holders. What happens if we get to 6 million? I mean, we just finally broke above a million, right? So uh, you know so what happens with that is what happens if Shiba hits 6 million holders. I bet you if that happens, Shiba's gonna be at the very minimum all-time highs, right? So that's how you get more holders. When Shiba is pumping, people are excited, more people buy, Shiba goes higher, right? More people buy, Shiba goes higher. That's how you get more holders, right? Again, the people that are holding, they're happy holding because they're in some gains, and Shiba is going higher, right? Anyone into the show Yellowstone? I think Yellowstone is rubbish. I'm just kidding. Whoever's listening knows why I said Yellowstone is rubbish, but I'm just joking. Had their employees take half a day off with Shiba listing. Yep, virus. Uh, Crazy. That's what we all are. Crazy. Yeah. It's 0.01. No need to answer. I'll stop drinking. When Safe Moon hits 0.01, inflation is going to be at. Yeah, I'm going to end it there. Do you think December will be better? A month for Shiba? Honestly, I don't want to. We don't want to speculate on. We don't want to speculate on timelines, right? So we want to focus on the technicals, right? Okay, if Shiba breaks above this level, what can we look for next, right? Instead of saying, okay, is December gonna be a good month? Those are just questions you can't really answer, right? So, uh, is it too late to buy Shiba? It's not too late, right? It's not too late, but dollar cost average. Beth, uh, don't worry, you have a lot of time still, Christy. Yeah, Christy. Peter's a young man, right? Peter's a young man. So yeah, holds should be like now, Crystal. Yeah, I mean, if Shiba keeps pumping, right, that's gonna in turn bring confidence, and people are gonna keep buying, right, and that's how you gain more holders. But if Shiba is going down, I mean, the people that are holding, some of them are gonna sell, and yeah, priceless. It's backups, Rachel. Yeah. how much did you buy? Well, think about how much you can afford to lose, and then take that whatever you can afford to lose, and then buy in increments, right? Take 10% of it, buy, wait for a dip, buy another 10%, or wait for a pump, buy another 10%. It's literally priceless, priceless. 25 million, $25. Yeah, whatever you can afford to lose, that's what you should be doing, at least initially, right? So buy what you can afford to lose, and if you're happy with it, then you can decide, okay, I like what's happening here. I'm doing some more research, I'm involved now in the Shiba community, and I want to add more to that position, right? But first things first, all you should be doing is looking, well, how much can I afford to can how much can I afford to lose or live without for a bit, and then go from there. Still not buying it, Christy. Unbelievable, Christy. Mm. La la la. Mm. Oh, no, 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 no. It's 350. It's 350 there. Where do you live, Sierra? Where do you live? Crypto is the future. I must sell my Lambo to get a horse. If Shiba hits, you buy a ranch, Kobe? Okay, nice. Just to wake up and invest in crypto already, Crystal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, wasn't it something like 14% of 14% of your population is Crystal? Crispy? No, 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 no. No. North of England? Okay, 350. 350. That's why I usually have to wake up super early, Sierra, to watch those EPL games because you guys are like 7 hours ahead. So I have to wake up at 5:30 on a Saturday to watch soccer. On now she's rich, Nanya, $150 worth. Well, congrats to your girlfriend. Tell her hi. Why is it going down again, Shane? It's just the cycle. I'm here to get rich, Brian. Here to get rich, guys. Brian says here to get rich with all the big sports company, Kobe. It's Leona. Yeah, again, it can be frustrating, right? It can be frustrating, but I think for a lot of people, it's a long term hold, right? So buy, hold, and then see where it goes. Not looking at it every single. I know we stream about it all the time, but yeah, yeah, they all Kobe, yeah, Chrome, yeah, they're doing a lot of marketing, right? So I'm sure that's really good for crypto in general. Crow is on the move. Is it actually on the move? Is it back above 70? Let me take a look and see what that's looking like here. So that's Matic. There, Matic looks fine. So watch for $2 there, right? That would be your next level to watch. And then Crow here. We talked about Crow and that 65 level there. Oh wow, yeah, Crow's back above 72, guys, right? Crow looking really good there, right? So looking really good. Holding support at 65 cents, back above 72 here. That's a really good really good few candles there. One second, guys. Listening tomorrow. There you go. Yeah, Crow. Wow, wow. Well, Shiba, we need to do that. We need Shiba to do that, guys. Nice, yeah. Goes to check accounts. Beth. Um, no. No, I'm not checking my accounts, guys. I'm not checking. Not checking. Is talking about Jacob? I don't know. Maybe that's you, Jacob. Hopefully that double bottom holds. Jr. For what? For Shiba or for Chrome? Whoever gets rich quicker, please share. Yep. Yeah. Matic and Crow. Yeah, Matic and Crow look better than Shiba. Yeah, they do. She bought some more Crow. Yeah. Check my email. What's in my email? What's in my email? Let me take a look. I don't see anything here. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. Come here, la 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 la, or not holders, and we like to project take exposure. Okay, let me know if you're interested in a project you need for holders, and we believe us would be huh 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 huh. That's a nice that's a nice advertising. You would need to up that advertising fee. Yeah, send let me know. Uh, I was check your account, Beth. Okay, yeah, no, I'll think about it. I'll think about it, Coin. Think about it. Thank you very much for reaching out. So I'll think about it because Shiva likes to tease like an old trends. Tease. Why is Shiba dump Miss Predator? Why is Shiba dumping currently? Again, so take a look at the entire market there. It's not just Shiba retracing, right? Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Uh, so let me know. Let's do a meeting there. Yeah. And then I can take a look. I can take a look at your project or whatever. So again, send me another email with like your calendars. Let's do a meeting. Let me know, and then we can go from there with the better fee. And then let's go. Nah, for tomorrow. Any? What about GOEV for tomorrow? Any thoughts? Uh, have your people call his people. There you go, Peter. Yep. No. Steve, what about GOEV? I can take a look at GOEV later today. Later tonight before we hop off. Yeah, some Joe Rogan in the chat, guys. Hi, Joe Rogan. Why do people like to change their names to other people's names? That's my question. Why? Why? Why change your name to Elon? Why Joe Rogan? Why not just use your name? I Ivana says hi. 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 5 minute trickery. What do you want to see on the five? What would you like to see on the five there? Yeah, Crow does look good there. Again, I like Crow back above 70 cents, Jim. I like it, right? Double bottom, triple bottom at 65, so that's a really good sign there. And Shiba trying to recover here a little bit. Come on, Shiba, give us a pump before we hop off in about what time is it actually? Mm, yeah, in like 20 minutes or so. I don't get it either. Beth. Yeah. So yeah, in 20 minutes here, Shiba, give us a pump. You want to, right? Get back about 47, and let's go. Mm, let's do. There you go. Good evening, Nate's clips. Let's go, Nate. It's 8 p.m. there. Okay. You bought in at 44. You have reg. You bought it at 44. Oh, you guys remember we played with Rec from what is it, 80, 80 to $1.20. So it's all the way back down to 44 now, loyal. Okay, that thing. Yeah. So if you took your profits, right, congrats on the gains. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad. Gage took profits on that stuff, right? Otherwise, he'd be panicking now. 10 p.m. for you, Nonya. 10 p.m. Nonya's still here, guys. Let's go. Got wrecked. Yep. Were you the one that plays his hair? Nope. Nate's clips? Nope. Yeah, virus. That thing got wrecked from that 120 level, 119. Yep, absolutely destroyed. Back to 44 cents or whatever. No, it wasn't. It wasn't Nate's. It wasn't Nate, guys. Otherwise, Nate. I bet you Nate would give me a nice haircut. Or completely eliminate. A hundredth. Yes. Yes, because you can already see a lot of these, again, a lot of these a lot of these projects trying to reduce those fees, right? So it goes to 33 virus. Okay, I think I'm hooked. Yeah, you're hooked, Nanya. You're hooked. You're addicted now. You're one of us. There you go, Shiva. Come on, give us a 47. Some good gains, and then back out. You and back out again, Christy. Yeah, good job. Good job. Let's see. Explain Shiba. Nah. One of us. One of us. One of us. And he been hold Steve. You've been holding Shiba and Elon. Yeah, Shiba and Elon. So Elon did really well, bouncing up that support around 14 there. It just needs to clear 22, and then it should be good to go. Mm, there you go. Just breed Elon. Croza is an exchange token. No, no, no. That's again. Just be that's it's like BNB crypto.com stuff. Uh, gets no love. Only they trying to get uh only part of you trying to get some views for buy Do for Dogecoin. No, don't worry, guys. We'll cover Doge, right? When Doge actually does something, we're gonna cover it. Right. So it's just not doing anything. There's only so much we can say about Doge, and there's nothing to say, right? There's no new catalyst, right? It's not really breaking above any key levels. Eventually, it will, but for now, it's not really doing anything other than for she, mm, oth- other than outrageous number for she. Um, what's a comfortable level? There's no such thing though, right, Nate? It's just whatever you can afford. Right? There's no comfort number. So people are saying 100 million. A lot of people say 100 million, but it's whatever you can afford. But again, that 100 million was set at the lower price, though, right? So I get into the stream and forget you're trading. You're trading, Nate. I'm sorry. Yeah, again, Todd, right? So again, Doge is gonna have its run, right? So hopefully into end of the year or 2022, early 2022. But now there's nothing there, right? There's absolutely nothing. So once again, when there's a catalyst, we'll talk about it, right? So are we at 50,000 subscribers? I don't think so. Are we? Don't think so. Don't think so. Not yet. Alan, yes, but everything should be bought at a key level, at a good level, right? Just because it's a good project doesn't mean you buy at any price, Tom, right? You don't like talking about ETC. I mean, it's like what's behind that? Like, what's the project behind that, Todd? Not that you can make any money, right? But like, if you have any questions, please ask. I love. Doge to sheep. I am your father, Steve. Will be 80 years old, covering the Doge pump, hot prune juice after dark. No, Andrew, be nice. Doge is gonna go, all right? So at least we hope soon. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But there's nothing we can do. His cookie will be crushed into a smoothie. That thing, it's just not moving, right? We can't just go watch. We covered Doge for a long time, right? We had a lot of nights that we just sat and watched Dogecoin do absolutely nothing. We can only do so much of that. We have to move on. We have to move on to what's moving, what we can make gains on, right? So can't be watching Dogecoin because you know the Dogecoin rocket, guys, is sitting at the top right hand corner of your screen and waiting to go. Smoothie, smoothie. To make money. He needs to make some money for Christmas. Um, yeah, 10 cents. I really don't want to buy at 20. Sierra, I know. That 9 cent level was a really nice level. Sierra. I'm in nursing at prune juice. Um, Doge pumps. I moved to Doge. um, we like rockets. We do, Steve. We like rockets, guys. We like rockets. Peter says I moved to Shiba. Doge pumps. I moved to Doge. Shiba pumps. Yeah, is that? Are you? What's going on, Peter? Um, do you not like gains? I hit the like button. Let's go. It's on. Yeah, guys, smash a like. Let's get to 200 likes. So smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah, 2080, guys. It finally happened. Doge, it's at a dollar. The dollar will be 10 cents by then. I know. It is what it is. Did you cover AVAX before you got here, Betty? Yeah. I mean, I didn't really talk about AVAX as much, but I right talked about AVAX a little bit at $60, right? So AVAX, yeah, done well. If you have any questions, Betty, let me know, and then I can take a look. But yeah, damn back. Oh, Rachel, Peter is pretty useless. Like Peter is one of the most useless people I know. When I say useless, always, guys, I mean it's a good thing. It's you need a what, Steve? When is the US dollar gonna pump? Um, there's nothing. Let me not say anything negative. I'll leave it there. When is the US dollar? Bounce to the moon. Bounce to the moon. Mamar, I don't know what to tell you, Mamar. It's yeah. When you guys keep printing your money, print. Where do you see support for resistance is all time high? Let me take a look. AVAX. What's your position, Betty? What's your position for AVAX? AVAX. Yeah, AVAX has done really well, like really, really well, right? So let's take a look if I can find the right chart here. I know I have some lines on the chart here. I'm not sure which one. Yeah. You assume resistance is at all time highs here. Let's take a look. Yes, I would agree with you there. Like around $140, right? 140 would be your next level to watch. Again, that range right there would be your next level resistance, and then support, which is maybe what you're asking for, is around $100 here, right? So you can see that last test to support, right? Again, nice push, retrace to a psychological level around $100 here, 101, right? Again, nice 1, 2, 3 candles holding that level and then bounce, right? So yeah, I'd be looking again. So that would have been a really nice entry, right? On that retracement. So again, try not to catch a knife. But once you start seeing multiple candles holding a level, that's a really good signal, right? Especially around the psychological level there, right? Especially around a level that was also resistance, right? Again, fail. We expect to come back and test that level on the way down. hold that level, confirm, and then bounce, right? So yeah, 100, and then 101 there, and then resistance around as you approach like 140 there. You got in at 65, Betty. Nice, good job, right? Really good job. Here's Sandy. It's Sandy. It's Sandy 88. Yeah. So again, you're in a really good position. A really really good position there. I bet you. So I'd be looking for $100 to hold. If that, I wouldn't be concerned on this play here until we break below 100, right? So safe moon is almost at that level. Give or take a couple of thousand zeros. Yep. No, really good entry there, Betty. $65, guys, for AVAX, right? So really good, really amazing there. So won't take a loss. Hoping for a double. I mean, you're on your way, right? On your way there. So here you go. Like you're hoping for a double from this level, or you're hoping for a double from yeah. Mm, you need to stop buying at all-time highs, Jaspreet. Yeah, again, try not to buy at all-time highs. Wait for those dips, right, Jaspreet? Wait for the dips. Don't buy all-time highs, please. And thank you. Nice gains, Peter. Yeah, absolutely. Right. So no, like I'll be looking for it to hold above 100. If we break below, like if we're sitting at 99, and then okay, cool, I might take some profits. But other than that, for AVAX here, sitting above 100, that's a hold, right? So unless you just want to, again, you have a target in mind to sell at, and then go from there. Na na na. So that's AVAX. Na 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 na. Looking good. Shiba here, guys. Again, slowly retracing, right? Slowly retracing here. Let's take a look at the daily chart here for Shiba. Buy the hype, sell the news, right? Another classic example. So let's do that there. What are we looking like here? We still look fine, right? So we're still sitting above that downtrend, right? Again, so let me zoom in here a little bit more. Again, downtrend, right? Right and lower, break above the downtrend, right? We talked about this earlier, right? We might even come back and retest that level, right? Even if we do, as long as we sit above this level here now, that's fine, right? So Shiba currently looking fine there to me. Slowly turning around here, guys, right? Not concerned yet, right? So I wouldn't be concerned about this. So hoping to sell at 130. I was scared last time, Betty. Okay, yeah. I mean, 130. You should be able to get it. 130. So when will we be able to buy a hot trades coin? That would be the end of hot trades. Before people start rock pulling it, that's too much drama for me, guys. A hot trades coin, a moose token, Jason, a placed coin. Yeah, a hot. What's up, collective? I'm not concerned yet either. Yeah, I'm not concerned, guys. Right? We finally broke above a downtrend for the like. When was the last time we had some nice candles like this? All the way down there, right? Going for a nice run up, all the way down there, right? So, yeah. For now, holding the downtrend, holding above the 940. Again, this level is now approaching. Again, moving back above 40, around 43 here for now. Even if we do retest that level, as long as we hold above it, we're completely okay, right? So, not concerned. Moose coin already, I'm sure they do. Uh, I have upgraded to the watermelon. Are you a watermelon now, collective? Let me take a look. I like those watermelons, guys. Collective is a watermelon. Yeah, very nice collective, right? So a lot of watermelons, a lot of watermelons. Uh, nice. I like that. I like that. Thank you very much, collective. Thank you. Always. Thank you. Thank you all. There you go, guys. Yeah, so I think we wanted to do 2 hours, right? So we still have about 10 minutes here, so let's keep hanging, right? So if you have any questions, please ask, right? So don't forget to smash that like if you haven't already. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, and if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, guys, the membership link is right here, showing up in the chat for you, there. So there you go. So yeah, 6 months, star. It's been wow, yeah. We've been together for that long, 6 months. It's let's go, collective, with the super chat, guys. Collective, thank you very much. Let's go, super chats. It's been a great 6 months, 6 month relationship. Yeah, collective. This has been like it's a 6 month relationship, guys. And now you have a watermelon beside your name. Let's go, collective. Again, thank you very much for the support always, collective. Really appreciate that. Thank you. 6 months. No, 6 months, 7 months, longest I've ever had. Longest I've had in a while, star. I know. right? So we've had some, yeah, like yeah, and there you go. If I have 16.6 million sheep ad, when's a good buy? When's a good buy? Like when's a good buy? Or when's a, like to add to your position? If I have 16 mil, sheep at 4466. Are you looking to add some more to your position, or what are you saying? So if you have that position already, Rob Joyce, what I would be looking to do if I were you, right? So you basically break even here, right? So you're basically flat here, right? I would either be adding on a nice dip, right, or on a nice bump and a little retracement, right? So don't want to be adding too much in the same position unless you want to, right? But I would be waiting for a nice dip, right? Since you're still sitting flat here, or wait for a nice bump and then a retracement to a new level of support and then add, right? So add to the position. Okay, add to the position, Rob. Okay, there you go. Hi TC, hello. Am I in Florida, David? No, I am not. I am not in Florida. Not even in the same country. David's Dave. If I date anyone, they have to watch our trades with me, or they can kick rocks. Let's go, star. Right? Thank you for the super chat, Rob. Right. So let me know if that clarifies your question there. 6 months and 8 days. Wow, Andrew. This tip looking good. I think. Be focused. Yeah, looks fine for me there. Looks fine. So that's the daily chart there, guys. You can see right on the daily chart here. You can see that Shiba is again. Even though we're dipping here a little bit, you can see the turnaround though, right? Take a look at the last month. It's been like, oh my goodness, Shiba, are you done dipping? Are you done dipping? Are you done dipping? Right. So for now, again, even though we're down 3% here now, we're turning around, right? So trying to, there you go. Space station. Yep. Space station, guys. I'm waiting for that space. That again, Peter. Waiting for that. This this actually this picture came before the announcement of that SpaceX Shiba satellite launch, right, Peter? If I'm not mistaken here. So, Peter, Nigerian witchcraft. That's what you did there. Look at that, guys. Well, that's a bummer, David. Why? When you get married, Blaze will give you give you away. Yep. Yeah. um, yeah. Unbelievable. Hot rates at Beanie to work all day, loving it. Edgar, thank you very much, Edgar. Wearing a hot trades beanie and t-shirt at work all day. Let's go, Edgar. Let's go. Make an NFT out of that, Peter. Yeah, should. Peter, you should. Or, uh, yeah, Peter, do it. Or let Robert. Robert can make us NFTs. Robert can make us hot trades NFTs, guys. I don't know, Robert. Are you here? Um, yeah, back in when we go down again. Star. Okay, that's fine. Right. So an 8 ball will have matching to tuxedos. You did? No, that's okay, Star. That's okay. You have to make that decision for yourself. Dustin, hello, 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 hello. How are you? Let's go. Oh no, Star. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Again, so we wanted to do 2 hours, and we're almost there. We have like 2 minutes left, so 5 minutes left here. So let us know if you have any questions. Right. Let us know if you need any help, and then we can take a break, and yeah, and then go from there. So Shiba didn't exactly pump, but again, when you take a look at the bigger picture, it still looks okay, right? So still looking fine. I just skipped up just 30 minutes before the bounce, right? Nonya? Okay. Good job. Paul, what about Jasmine? What's your position in that play? And then I'll take a look. Found the yam. So it's found the yam and fufu flour. Let's go. That's Peter's favorite meal. That's hot. I got in yesterday and back out to this virus. Wow, you can use scalpers. Look at this scalpers, guys. That's okay. Tonight chart. Looks like it has good potential thoughts. Cool. Yeah, we just looked at Matic. Matic needs to clear $2. That's your next level of resistance here. Support at the $1.50 there. It looks fine to me. Cool. You want to be a watermelon, Dustin? You want to be a watermelon? You are currently on what level here? I think that's the next level there. After that, not sure. Yeah, watermelon coming up, Dustin. Watermelon is coming, right? The watermelon you will be. Yeah, the watermelon is like looking at the watermelons beside your names. That's pretty cool. Like it looks really cool. Not gonna lie, that's pretty cool. So watermelons, watermelon, guys. Not what they. All your laborers made their own union, Edgar. I love looking at what inspires watermelons, melons. Red. We have support above that level, right? So are we going down to 40? Like I wouldn't say so. It's possible, yes, but we have some support above that level, right? So we have some really good support above those levels before we talk about 40. If it's for your ads. Or any coin, earning sheep of battery a day. Yeah, again, thoughts on staking. Yeah, if it's a long term position, what's like? There's nothing wrong with staking, right, Brian? Right? If you're planning holding for 6 months, holding for a year, like if it's an investment for you, why not stake it, right? So why not stake it if you want to, right? So I used to import export. Okay. Support around like yeah, around that 40 again, 42 to 43 there. Red, right? So as we are retracing here to 44, 455 here, so I know we have some support around this level as well. That's why you're not seeing those lines show up here. Delete. There you go. So I know there's a level around this. I know there's something around 45 here in terms of support. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. I might have deleted the line there, but yeah. Let's go, Brian. Absolutely. La, 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 la. So usually with these exchanges, Justin, you again, you have all the instructions in terms of like what you need to do. The difference for every exchange, they seem to be different in terms of like the way you can do it. That's import export. There you go, Beth. Right. So you can just go over again. So what exchange do you use? What platform do you use, Justin? Crow is trying. Yeah, Crow's looking good, right? That's for collective. What's for dinner? Oh, I made some shepherd's pie, guys. Made some shepherd's pie. It's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. I just made some turkey and a ton of food. Okay, Weibo. Don't think you can stake on them. Unless I'm mistaken here again. I don't use Weibo, but yeah, some. La la la. You're so full. So full. Na 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 na. Na. You you're making some spaghetti, some pasta, spaghetti. Manny, absolutely, absolutely. Nice shepherd's pie. Yeah, love it, Nonya. Yeah, it's like one of my favorite things. On ensuring everyone able to buy sheep on Kraken now, Manny. Yeah, absolutely. Right. So you're spaghetti for you. You're single, collective. uh, treat yourself, collective. Mix them up. I know you're busy. You're busy and you're busy around this time anyway. So that's why. To retire on, I want to retire yesterday. What do you recommend? Edgar, what do I recommend? I recommend. I recommend. So what's the new thing, guys? Isn't that Omicron coin? Omicron, Omicron, Rachel, something that's new. Making your first transaction now, Manny. Wow, congrats. Again, I wouldn't go all in. Scholarship, it's fine. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna get some. I don't know if I'm gonna, yeah, I'll get some a little bit more, and then yeah, some Omicron. I'm finger nose for dinner because of the market, Nonya. I know, I know. Me $10 first year, Red. Yeah, I'm absolutely right. Slowly, slowly, slowly. There's no rush. Absolutely no rush, right, Red? Slowly scale in on moronic blockchain. Okay, Sierra. Okay, there you go, guys. Alrighty. So we're gonna call it a night, guys. Again, thank you guys very much for the last today. We had some fun. We had some fun at the very beginning there. So thank you guys again very much for the support. If you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Right, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to become a member and join us in Discord, the membership link is right here showing up in the chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There you go. Right. So we've looked at again. Looked at the daily chart for Shiba here, currently sitting above that downtrend. Right. So even though we're seeing some red candles here, when you take a look at the bigger picture, we're still okay for now. Right. So yeah. So we're gonna Edgar, have a good night. Nights collective. Peter, good nights. Good night, Andrew. Good night, Star. Good night, Scholars. Good night, Reds. Scotty. Good night. There you go. Who else? Rachel. Good night, Beth. Good night. Kobe, have a good night. Sierra, good night. Nanya, go to sleep. Manny, have a good night. Virus, peace. Have a hot treats crew? Absolutely. Playing card tonight? Maybe. I'll see. I'll see. If you guys want to, we can. If you guys want to, we'll see. Crystal, have a good night. See you in the AM for the market, Manny. Yeah. Again, Nanya, yep. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Robbie, have a good night.